Welcome to the latest edition of Respiratory Research Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest, Savara has announced that the US Food and Drug Administration has filed the Biologics License application for MOLBREEVI, an inhaled molgramostim therapy for autoimmune pulmonary alveolar proteinosis. The application has received priority review, with a PDUFA target action date set for August 22, 2026. If approved, MOLBREEVI could become the first FDA-approved therapy for this rare lung disorder, potentially changing the treatment landscape for patients with autoimmune pulmonary alveolar proteinosis. Tessera Therapeutics has received both Fast Track and Orphan drug designations from the FDA for Tessera 196, an in vivo gene-editing therapy designed to treat adults with alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency who carry the PITS mutation. The program is currently being evaluated in a first-in-human Phase 1/2 study and represents a potential one-time therapeutic approach aimed at correcting the underlying genetic cause of the disease. AstraZeneca Thailand has launched the A-Catalyst Network Thailand Hub, a collaborative initiative involving public, private, academic, and patient stakeholders to accelerate AI-enabled healthcare innovation. One of the first initiatives under this program is an AI-assisted lung screening effort targeting industrial workers across 4 Thai provinces using mobile chest X-ray technology and digital health education. Aclaris Therapeutics has initiated a Phase 1b randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled proof-of-concept trial of ATI-052 in patients with asthma who are currently receiving GINA Step 2 to 4 therapies. ATI-052 is a bispecific antibody targeting TSLP and interleukin-4 receptor alpha, and top-line results from the study are expected in the second half of 2026. GSK has entered into an agreement to acquire Canada-based biotechnology company 35 Pharma for approximately $950 million in cash. The acquisition adds HS235, a clinical-stage activin receptor signaling inhibitor, to GSK's pipeline, with planned development in pulmonary arterial hypertension and pulmonary hypertension associated with heart failure with preserved ejection fraction. SK Bioscience, IDT Biologica, and Vaxus have been selected for an EU-supported program to develop high-density microarray patch influenza vaccines. The initiative will fund Phase 1 clinical development for seasonal and pandemic influenza vaccines using the HD-MAP platform, with the goal of improving vaccine accessibility and simplifying administration. Rein Therapeutics has dosed the first patient in a Phase 2 randomized, placebo-controlled clinical trial evaluating inhaled LTI-03 for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. The study plans to enroll approximately 120 patients across multiple countries, and interim data are expected in the second half of 2026. Finally, BioVersus has published Phase 1 clinical data for BV100, reporting dose-proportional pharmacokinetics and favorable tolerability in healthy volunteers. The company is continuing development of BV100, which is currently being studied in a global Phase 3 program for infections caused by carbapenem-resistant Acinetobacter baumannii. Stay ahead in respiratory research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare